Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the drives and Macrium environment to avoid surprises. First, check source and target drive health using disk utility or smart so bad sectors do not break the clone. Once done, back up important files off the target drive. This is not optional. Make sure you run Macrium Reflect with elevated privileges and install any available updates. If a third-party filter driver is present, disable it before attempting the clone. These steps reduce the most common early failures. Next, set up the clone precisely. Choose Clone this disk and map partitions 1-to-1, removing unwanted recovery partitions to save space. Enable file system verification to catch copy errors in real time. Make sure the Windows PE environment matches your OS bitness. Mismatches can trigger error 0. If the job still fails, recreate the target partition table to match the source, GPT versus MBR, and retry. This resolves many mid-process mismatches that lead to abrupt failures. Finally, run the clone and validate the result by booting the target drive. Verify drivers and device recognition. Once the system boots, run chkdsk/f on each cloned volume and repair boot files with bcdboot if Windows won't start. If error 0 reappears, collect Macrium logs from the log folder and disable antivirus or disk filter drivers before retesting. That single troubleshooting tip, disable interfering security or filter drivers, often clears stubborn failures and gets your clone across the finish line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.